Hi friends. Welcome to another Vinyl Night. Tonight, we're spinning the delightfully strange album from 1998 that went on to amass a cult following. Neutral Milk Hotels in the Aeroplane Over the Sea. The album blends indie rock with psychedelic folk, and it particularly stands out with its intentional, low-quality recording and production style. The instrumentation includes singing saws, horn arrangements, banjo, accordion, and pipes. Neutral Milk Hotel might as well have been a pseudonym for the band's singer, songwriter, and main musician, Jeff Magnum. The songs and the music resonated with people on a level that Jeff Magnum hadn't expected. In the pre-social media era of the late 90s, the band grew exposure on the internet, back when that really wasn't much of a thing. The attention and the praise was overwhelming for Magnum, and it began to have an effect on his mental health, to such a degree that he stopped the tour in support of the album midway and threw the band into hiatus. A hiatus that would last 10 years. Magnum appeared back on the scene in 2008 for a few solo shows, and the whole band even reunited in 2013. But in 2015, they called it quits again. This album is powerful. I must have listened to it over 100 times now. The mystifying, opaque lyrics, the "he sounds like he's right here in the room beside me" recording style, his voice, the production, it's all endearingly haunting. Thanks so much for dropping by the Crystal Campfire. See you all real soon. Bye.